welcome to Smarttech. So today's Smarttech is going to be about only 3 topics. So that's all. The 2 is very important what I'm going to speak about, and it's very important. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Don't forget to press this bell icon and press the subscribe button and do something new, do something techy. First thing we're going to talk about is about Facebook. So Facebook nowadays is going to becoming popular, very useful and all those things, and many people are downloading this Facebook and it's becoming popular, you know. So what happened is Facebook has now invested $2 million from everyone, lot of money, and what he's going to do, I don't know. I'm going to be a big update for Facebook, I think so. I think it's going to be the biggest update. It's going to come, I think so, now in some January or something. So Facebook has become very popular, you know. So Facebook actually Snap, you know, usually means Facebook, means people shutting down, and if you could see the memes. So what is about the truth of Facebook? Like it's like F right like this, right? F like this. So that this is the guy sitting down using his mobile. So the next topic is gonna be about 2 professional and non-YouTubers. It's so nasty. PewDiePie and T-Series. You know what happened? Just PewDiePie was the most subscribed YouTuber. So you know what? He was just growing up his channel very much. But suddenly one day, T-Series had 1 million and PewDiePie was 20 million something. Suddenly while going up, T-Series subscribers was becoming less and less. Not less actually, it actually stopped. So sorry, where did I stop? Okay, the fight between PewDiePie and T-Series, what happened is, just one day PewDiePie actually stopped. There is 60 million subscribers for PewDiePie. It stopped. It didn't go up. So what happened in that time? T-Series came up. So now they both, PewDiePie is 75 million, T-Series 74 million. Many people support PewDiePie, many support T-Series. You know, this is gonna be very typical challenge, because we can't tell who is gonna win, we can't tell who is gonna lose, we can't tell it can be tie, because many people tell that PewDiePie hacked. I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard some YouTuber telling that PewDiePie has hacked some Indian TikTok. Even I am a fan of T-Series, so I made a song for PewDiePie. Like this, PewDiePie has made a song, right? Bitch, lasagna. So I have made a song for T-Series. So it's titled as been uploaded in Santosh Raghavan channel, another channel. And the next, what is PewDiePie's what is that that's gonna be sorry. So what PewDiePie actually is gonna be the best one. PewDiePie was, but now T-Series. But if you compare those both, and music channel and PewDiePie that is blog channel, like the channels, I think PewDiePie is better, because music channel, of course they get more views and subscribers, because there are many people want to listen music, so attractor of music are many, but PewDiePie, what does he simply comes and talks about something. He got more subscribers, but it's a very good opportunity for PewDiePie now. Even when I check this YouTube, what I did is, so I'll show and record of it. I was just reloading. If you go to PewDiePie channel, I was just reloading. It was 75 million, 65,000, some 322. When I reloaded, it became 423. It's just how much it's going up, I don't know. So typical difficult challenge. I don't know who's gonna win. T-Series people comment, PewDiePie people like. And one more thing. So the next topic we're gonna have is like a bit of a change some where I want talking about. You know what today I want to talking about is just about one second. I adjust my camera. Just about two YouTubers which they are fighting not for subscribers, for some other thing. You know what happened? Just technical Guruji. I think you're on technical Guruji and technical Sagar. So these both technical Guruji and Sagar still they're going on with the fight. You know what fight is that? I'm gonna explain you. I'll tell whose mistake it is. I'll tell what actually was it about. Okay? So sorry. Of course you're not who's technical Guruji, who has a subscriber amount of 10 million subscribers, who's a popular YouTuber in India and has acted in many YouTube Rewind and all those things, you know. And technical Sagar, also known as from his channel BBK Vines. So what actually he has a subscriber amount of 600k, 643k. Okay. So what actually happened between them is, you know what? Sorry. Technical Guruji was uploading many tech videos and all those things, but many videos tell that he's a fool. He's making us he's making us understand very light things and all. Even technical Sagar has the same lies, I think so. I don't know. Many YouTubers are telling. What actually happened is technical Sagar hacked this channel actually. Yeah, some subscribers, and he hacked this channel. So after hacking it, what he did is he got a bit of subscribers, and this thing was told to all the YouTuber, everyone by technical Guruji. So he uploaded a video known as video called something technical Saga, something is hacking in. That the journey starts. That is fight starts. Okay. Now what just happened? Now if you see in this fight, it's gonna be like some technical Guruji's fight, because you know why technical Guruji should upload about this thing. Now why he need about technical Sagas? Why should he? Maybe therefore he want to win the comparison. Many of that. He may do that. And then the fight starts. Now technical Guruji is telling that you are acting too much and all those things. Now we could see many videos there, many clips. You know, technical Sagar replied to technical Guruji. So technical Sagar actually told that he has many copyright strikes and he's gonna leave the channel. So that time technical Guruji has replied. Later he will listen, he is lying. He won't leave his channel. Yeah, but true, he didn't leave it. So he's lying and all those things started. And till now, and there's a clash between them. And they have said there are many replies from many other channels like My Smart Support and all those things, but no one can control their angerness. So if you want me to tell this detailedly for you, I'll tell you in my next video.